In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add your profile picture on Twitch. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, as you can see, if you log into a Twitch account and you don't have a profile picture, you'll see such an icon here. To change this to your profile picture, go ahead and click on this and then go ahead and choose settings. From settings, you should see the first option here is your profile picture. You can see currently I do not have one. To add one, go to add profile picture and make sure you already have one on your computer before you can proceed. And the formats supported are JPEG, PNG, and GIF, and you cannot exceed 10 MB. So make sure the file size of your profile picture is less than this. To add, go ahead and tap on add profile picture, and this will take you to your computer. Go ahead to the folder where you have your profile picture ready. Once you have found it, just tap on it and then tap on open, and this will go ahead and upload your picture. Then go ahead and save. Now, as you can see, my profile picture has successfully been added here. So that's how you can successfully add a profile picture on your Twitch account. As you can see now, the profile picture has reflected across. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.